$23,500. That is the 401k limit this year. And here is what most people miss. A market crash is the best time to use it. When stocks fall 50%, the same paycheck buys twice the shares. Warren Buffett calls this a sale on the future. Most people freeze. Smart investors keep buying. Here are 5 moves to grow your money when the market drops. Move 1. Keep buying every single paycheck. Do not stop. From the 2007 peak, the market fell 57% by 2009. People who kept buying through the crash were back to even by 2012 and up 400% by 2020. Buffett's rule: be greedy when others are scared. Move 2. Sell your losers on paper. This is called tax loss harvesting. Say you bought a stock for $10,000 and it dropped to $7,000. Sell it. You just locked in a $3,000 loss. The IRS lets you use that loss to lower your taxes by up to $3,000 a year. Then buy a similar fund within 30 days. You stay invested. You also keep the tax savings. Move 3. Move old retirement money into a Roth IRA while prices are low. Right now, your traditional IRA might be worth $100,000. After a crash, it could drop to $70,000. If you convert it to a Roth now, you only pay tax on $70,000. Then, every dollar of the recovery is yours, tax-free for life. Move 4. Max your 401k match and your HSA. Your boss may match 50 cents or $1 for every dollar you put in. That is a 50 to 100% return, instantly. The HSA is the only account in America with 3 tax breaks. Money in is a tax write-off. Money grows tax-free. And you can pull it out tax-free for medical costs. Move 5. Keep 6 to 12 months of cash in a high-yield savings account. Top accounts pay around 4 to 5% right now. This is your safety net. The people who got wiped out in 2008 were not the ones who held. They were the ones forced to sell stocks to pay rent. One bonus rule: do not try to guess the bottom. If you missed just the 10 best days of the market from 2003 to 2022, your gains were cut in half. Time in the market beats timing the market. Follow Zero to Wealth. Like this video. Share it with one friend who needs to hear this. Educational content, not investment advice.